Welcome to JH. Today we are diving into the world of based hair clay for men to see if it actually lives up to the hype. This product claims to offer a strong, reworkable hold with a clean matte finish, promising that effortless look we all spend way too much time in the mirror trying to achieve. It even features a naturally derived sandalwood scent, because apparently, looking good isn't enough. You also need to smell like an expensive forest. On the positive side, many customers are genuinely impressed, noting that the quality feels top-notch and far from the cheap sludge you find at a bargain bin. The sandalwood scent is subtle and sophisticated, adding a touch of class to your morning routine. Fans of the product love its consistency and reliability, especially when applied to slightly damp hair for a professional, non-greasy finish. It's the kind of product that gives you enough confidence to face the world, or at least the person staring back at you in the elevator mirror. However, it is not all sunshine and perfect pompadours. Some users have complained that the hold is about as strong as a wet noodle, leaving their hair feeling too soft rather than controlled. While the scent is a hit for some, others find it a bit too clingy, lingering long after you've left the room. There's also the dreaded grease factor, with a few customers reporting that it leaves their hair and hands feeling like an oil slick that is surprisingly difficult to wash out. In some cases, instead of adding volume, the clay actually flattened the hair, giving off a just rolled out of bed and gave up vibe rather than a styled one. The bottom line is that based hair clay is a solid contender with a great natural finish, particularly if you have straight hair. It's not a miracle in a jar for everyone, especially if you struggle with oiliness or need a grip that survives a windstorm. If it fits your specific hair type and vibe, it might be your new go-to. If not, it's just an expensive way to make your hands oily. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, do the usual internet dance, like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.